Okay, students, how you doing? This is Mr. Williams. I am want to touch base with you on some of our social norms that we do typically in social studies. I know we haven't had an opportunity to be in the classroom, but I believe that we can still practice those same norms or routines that have made us successful in the first three marking periods of sixth grade social studies. So, as you know, and I know that we normally start our day off with starters. So I will be placing Unit 8 starters up on Google Classroom for you to complete. Make sure that you are putting those in your starter notebook or a piece of paper so that you can come back to and use those resources as we move through the unit. You should have already taken the physical and political review within quizzes. That was for Monday's assignment. And today we are going to write Cornell notes. Okay, Cornell notes, as you know, are literacy strategy that helps us not only learn new material, but be able to recall the material that we're learning. And this is item number 3 within our Australia unit. And we're going to discuss the population distribution, the climate, and natural resources, as you can see on our screens within Australia. Okay. Um, and as we set up our notes, make sure that we are using our Cornell Notes Fashion, our T column, to establish our proper note taking procedures. Um, at the top of it, you should be able to know that you should be putting Australia's population, climate, and natural resources as the topic. Make sure you put an item number 3 at the top. And this is our essential question. Give you a few seconds to read this before we move on, and I give you an example of how we should set up our question on the left side of our column. So today's essential question is you're going to be talking about or writing about how does the factors of location, climate, access to water, and natural resources affect where Australians choose to live and work. As you can see, there's always at the top, like we normally have done for the past, I believe, 24 weeks, about 27 weeks, a little longer than that. 36 weeks, one of those two. Sorry, guys. We want to make a question out of the topic. So we want to find those who, what, when, where, why, how. So, where is the most dense populations in Australia? Okay, and then, or where do most people live in Australia is a great way to form a question. And then we're looking to answer that question within the right side of our column.